The feather razor is a styling razor that's part of your kit, allowing for customizing texture in haircuts. Hairtalk Extensions is one of the top extension brands, and students have been very excited to be able to have the opportunity to get certified in tape-in extensions, keratin extensions, and sew-in weft extensions. Olivia Garden brushes have New Cycle. The 4 New Cycle brushes included in your kit are part of our Eco-Conscious program and are made out of recyclable material. You also have curly hair brushes in your kit that are designed for different curl patterns. Pivot Point Snap Cap Mannequin allows for ease of use and is part of our eco-friendly program.